Hi, I'm Rishu Gupta. I did my complete schooling from Greenfield School under the guidance and leadership of Khanna ma'am. I still remember my early days in class nursery and KG with Madhavan ma'am to completing my class 12 in commerce stream under the guidance of my favorite teacher Aarti Agarwal ma'am. I got infinite love and affection from my teachers which helped me work hard on the way to success. After schooling, I did my graduation in BCom Honours from Bhagat Singh College and completed my Chartered Accountancy. I currently work as an Associate Director in the tax practice of one of the large Chartered Accountancy firms which is also associated with the Big Four consultancies. On this Founders Day, I thank all my mentors and teachers and wish them all the very best in nurturing talent as always. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Bhuvan Bam. I don't know how to begin this, but a very happy Founders Day to all the management, the staff, the teachers and the students. I've learned a lot from Greenfield School. I've learned a lot from my friends and my teachers there. The happiest childhood memories of mine have been in and around Greenfield School. Be it Amma ka Sambar, be it केमिस्ट्री लैब में मस्ती, बी इट फिजिक्स लैब में मस्ती, बी इट बायो लैब में मस्ती, कंप्यूटर लैब में मस्ती. It has been the best moments of my life. And to all the students watching this, I know you love your teachers, but मुझे 10 साल हो गए पास आउट हुए ग्रीनफील्ड से, 10 साल से ज्यादा हो गए. And I still respect my teachers. I still value them. I still value my school friends because I know that they are really important. They're really important. इतने सारे दोस्त हमें स्कूल के बाद मिले, इतने सारे लोग जुड़े हमारे साथ, हमें वो याद कभी नहीं रहते, आते हैं जाते हैं. बट स्कूल के जो दोस्त हैं, स्कूल के टीचर्स हैं, वो हमेशा यहाँ हमारे बैठे रहते हैं. तो प्लीज स्टार्ट रिस्पेक्टिंग योर टीचर्स. एंड बस यही है. हैप्पी फाउंडर्स डे टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ यू. और
Hi guys, my name is Arvind Mandani. I'm a 2011 pass out from Greenfields. I've done my BCom Honours from Bhagat Singh College, Delhi University. Right now I'm heading Youthiapa.com, the official merchandise wing for BBG Wines, and also the co-founder for the same. It's been over 9 years we have passed out from the school, but I think the values which the teachers have inculcated in us still remains no matter wherever we go. On this occasion of Founders Day, I would like to congratulate you all for being a part of this beautiful journey with Greenfields, and I hope you make your parents proud and your teachers proud in whatever field you excel. I wish you all the best.
Hello everyone, my name is Dinank Chitkara and I am a 2011 pass out of Greenfield School. Post that I did my bachelor's in economics from Hansraj College and master's in economics from Delhi School of Economics. I am currently working as a market risk manager with Credit Suisse. It's been close to a decade that I have passed out of the institution, but the learnings, values and experiences that I gained during my 12 years spent there have played a very crucial role in molding my personality and have immensely contributed in my personal as well as professional life. On this auspicious occasion of Founders Day, I want to congratulate all the students, teachers as well as the management and wish you all the best for your future.
Hi, this is Megha Nair, batch 2011-12, some way back. Today I stand here as a proud alumna to congratulate and wish the best to the entire Greenfield family on its Founders Day. Also, I'd like to take this opportunity to express my gratitude to my school, especially for two blessings that it has showered on me. First, it has to be the teachers. Vimla ma'am, Mini ma'am, Vijayalakshmi ma'am, Nisha ma'am, Punita ma'am, Singh sir, or Arun Sharma sirs. Everyone, thank you for laying my foundations, be it with respect to academics or co-curricular activities or ethics. And secondly, it has to be for my school friends, the best bunch that I could have asked for. Some of whom, fortunately for me and unfortunately for them, have ended up being my lifeline. Thank you, school. I really hope that whatever times are to come ahead, our school continues to inspire its students to grow, and may the students cherish throughout their lifetime the experience. This experience called Greenfields. All the best. Satyam Jayate.
Everyone. I hope you're all keeping safe, taking care of one another, being grateful for the immense amount of care work that we are receiving, and also helping out in the various chores at home. I am Mohammad Ashraf Khan. I graduated from Greenfield School back in 2015, joined Hindu College to pursue my bachelor's in political science, and moved on to pursue my master's in the same from Jawaharlal Nehru University. I would have definitely not been a part of these prestigious institutes had it not been for Greenfield School. I joined the school back in 4th grade as a meek, shy 9-year-old who wasn't so much of a bright kid. All of it changed for me as I became part of this deeply nurturing and commodious environment, as the school did not only help me on the academic fronts but also non-academic. I was helped immensely to work on my art, oratory skills, and also the school introduced me to a bit of cooking, which has come in handy in these times of lockdown. One thing that I'm immensely grateful for is that the school has an amazing bunch of teachers for humanities and students who are deeply interested in pursuing a career in liberal arts and humanities. They find ample space here, which I also did. So had it not been for the various competitions that the school sent me for, the various programs that we had, and the amazing excellent teachers whom I had the good fortune to be taught by, I cannot imagine what it would have been for me like. So a heartfelt thanks to Greenfield School for providing this safe environment for growth, and and for all the teachers who have been there and the guides who have been there, and nothing better that we could have asked for. So yes, happy birthday GFS.
Hello, my name is Arpit and I graduated from Greenfields in 2015. I went on to do my undergraduation in economics from Hansraj College, Delhi University, post which I went and did my 2-year MBA program from Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. I'll be shortly joining Bain and Company's Mumbai office as a consultant. I think my school has had a great role to play in all my success, and I wish Greenfield School a very happy Founders Day.